Hello, I'm JoElla Hauselman, principal of Edgewood Middle School. Edgewood is very proud to be a spotlight school for Tiger Tuesday this week. Edgewood has a strong tradition of high expectations academically and behaviorally, ranking in the top 10% of all middle schools in the state of Indiana as identified by the U.S. News and World Report. This year, we've been working to earn our State STEM Accreditation. All Edgewood teachers have been training in project-based learning. We earned the status of being a Project Lead the Way Distinguished School again this year. We hosted a robotics exhibition. Our manufacturing club produced multiple products that were sold and distributed across the corporation. We're wrapping up our fourth year for GoBabyGo, and our STEM leadership team has generated cross-curricular PBL units that will be showcased May 9th from 1 to 3 at Edgewood Middle School. We anticipate completing our website and application this summer, and will submit these to the state to proceed forward with State STEM Accreditation for this coming school year.